Here you can see how plugin looks if theme is supported or if theme has templates needed by this plugin. As you can see, we have archive here, a sidebar is here, and everything is okay. If you open a single playlist, once again, all looks fine. But what if you switch to a theme that is not directly supported by plugin? And let's see, we'll do it with this theme here. We'll assign it a menu, and if you open the page now, you will see something like this. As you can see, there is a playlist here, but sidebar is out of the place. That's because templates are not as they should be, and same goes for archives. So we are going to create templates for this theme. Okay, here we have a theme folder. This is the theme we are working with, and here is the plugin. And let's open themes. Here we have a list of themes that are directly supported, and here are generic templates, and these are the 3 templates we need. Best way to do it, to create those 3 templates, is to start with the theme itself. Theme has a single .php file, and we will make a copy of that file and give it the same name as the single template here. So here it is, single SAP playlist, and this is the file here. But this file will not do anything we want to do. If we refresh our page now, as you can see, it doesn't look as it should be. That's because plugin is now loading this file here. But since this file is a copy of a normal single file, we don't have our content in it. So we will open this file for edit. And this is a single template that is normal, and we will open the one we need. As you can see, our template has a basic layout, and it only has one line that we actually need. So we need to identify the part of the template here that we can remove. In most cases, it's a WordPress loop. So you remove the normal loop and replace it with our function call. Normal loop looks usually like this. If we have posts and while we have posts, so this whole block we will remove. So this is if, else, and if. All that will be removed, and we will copy over this line here, and that's it. We are saving this, reloading the page, and this is it. As you can see, sidebar is in the right place, our post is displayed as it is, as it should be, and all is okay. This theme has a breadcrumbs element here, so you can disable that in plugin settings or whatever. It's not important for the purpose of this tutorial. So we are creating templates that look right. Everything else the template does after that is up to you. So for now we are adjusting these templates, and first one was a single template. Now we need an archive template. Here is the original in this theme. We'll make another copy and rename it like this. So we have that template also. If we open playlists archive now, we'll see generic list. It's not as it should be. So we are editing that too. So this is a one from the team, and this is the one that is used to display playlist elements. So again, identify the loop and remove it. The loop is practically the same in this one, so we'll remove it and copy over this line here, and that's it. If you load it now, it's a totally different story. There are some styling issues that will happen with any team, so you will need to adjust few things to make everything look right, but that's issue with styling, not with the template. At this point the template is okay. Okay, and as you can see here, we have a third template, and this one doesn't exist in WordPress. There is not a tax index template in any theme. This is completely implemented by this plugin, so you cannot start with existing template that theme has. And my recommendation is to make a copy of archive template. So we created this template here, and we'll make a copy of it. We'll name it like this, and we now have a third template we need. So we'll open that one and open this one. We only need to change this line here, and that's it. What does this template do? If you open I don't know this, you will get a list of playlists with this term here for taxonomy genre. But if you want to display all genres registered, that's something that WordPress doesn't have as a feature, but we implemented that, and we'll replace the URL here. Well, you don't see that. Okay, here it is. URL is now playlist/genres, so plural slug for this taxonomy. And if we load it, we'll see a list of all terms for that, and it's displaying something like this. You will see all terms and playlists that belong to that term. If we want to do the same with artists, we can. So artists, we have two artists here, so we'll have two terms in this list. Same can be done with tags. So tags, and you will see here another template. Plugin has two different ways to display terms. One is the list we saw previously, and this one is cloud. So anyway, we have our templates now. All three templates are created. As you can see, it wasn't that big of a deal, and you are set to use it. All three templates are here, and plugin will work just fine. It will always load these templates provided in the theme folder. If in the meantime you update this theme, make sure to keep these three files safe somewhere, because normal WordPress upgrade will remove the theme completely and upload the new one. So keep this file safe, and if there are some significant changes in the theme, make sure to check that these templates are okay for the new team, and if needed, repeat the process and create again all 3 templates from single and archive templates in the team. Some teams can have a bit more complex files. Let's see one from these defaults. As you can see, this team has all sorts of things, but again, if you identify where the loop is, it was here, and we here placed this code of ours, everything else will fall into place. So it all depends on the team, and if you have any problems with the team you want to integrate, please visit our support forums, and we will do the best to help you create the templates you need for your team.